we have a problem here. Problem is from one of our student who is using a Mac. What is he trying to do? He is trying to access a server, an AWS server from Mac. So what exactly he need to do? He need to open a console. Can you open a console, 𝐂𝐨𝐻? AWS console. So when you create a server, you will be able to see that under instances tab, or when you go to EC2 and instances, you will see that your server is ready. Once your server is ready, you will have a public IP. And with this public IP, you can connect to the server. So to connect, there is a connect button. You can click on this connect button. Once you click on the connect button, you will come to this SSH client. And here there are steps mentioned. For Mac, we don't have PuTTY. So we are using what? We are using the terminal of Mac. So it is saying open an SSH client. So that means you will go and type terminal and open the terminal. Can you open terminal, please? A new terminal, 𝐂𝐨𝐻.
Come.
Okay. Can you cancel this and open a new terminal?
Yes.
So that people know how to open a terminal.
So this is terminal.
So there is a terminal button here. Okay. You can open a terminal like this. Once you open a terminal, can you go to that console again?
Yes, sir.
This is SSH client. So first step is done. Second step, it is saying that, okay, fine, locate the private key file. So when you create a server, this key file you created, which got downloaded in your download location. How will you see? If you click here, you see there is a download folder. It is downloaded here. Okay, you can always click on this button so that you can see what is the folder location. Folder location is downloads. You see, under download, this is present. That means now if you go to terminal, in this terminal, you need to go to downloads location because it is present in the download. So you just type DOWN, D capital, and give tab. Once you give tab, it will automatically populate and do PWD. PWD means present working directory, which location you are currently in. So the second step was locate the private key. So you will do ls-ltr p109.pem. Okay, the PEM file, whatever the PEM file is there, you need to find this and then do enter. Once you do enter, you find out that this particular file is located in this location only. Okay, so now can you go back to that terminal? It is asking you, third step, asking you to change the permission of the file. So what is the command? There is a command. Just copy this and run the command in the terminal. Can you go and run this command to the in the terminal?
Yes.
Copy this and run, paste it. Yeah. Enter, and you see you have changed the permission of a file. Okay. So now you see this is like you are changing the permission of a file to 400. This is a file which you have changed the permission 400. That means now 𝐂𝐨𝐻 will only have read permission because we already did that in past. That's why it was showing only read. But when you download, it will not have just read. It will have other permissions also. It will have more permission: read, write, execute, and other things. Okay. It's like just if you create touch ABC one file and you do ABC, you see there is a file which got created which is having so many permission. So 𝐂𝐨𝐻 is having read write permission. RW means read write, and the staff is having read permission. So it is saying you to change the permission to 400. That means only 𝐂𝐨𝐻 should have read permission. Others should not have any permission. Others means group. This group and the other user should not have any permission. If there are some other members in your home who's using the same laptop, they will not have permission to this file. How will you change? You will do chmod 400 ABC. When you do this and now you do ABC, you will find that the ABC file does not. If you are saying ABC file, this owner is only having read permission. Okay, and if staff is not having any permission. Okay, so you can change the permission with the help of this 400. So this is like you're converting this 400 to a binary value. Okay, 4 means 100. Okay, 100 means 4, and then 00 means anyway nothing is there. That means 1 means here. That is the reason it is R is there. Okay, I will explain you this more in detail in our next video. This is called file permission. Okay, we'll understand that later, but for now just follow whatever the steps are mentioned in the console. If console is saying run this 400, you will do the same thing. Okay, once you have done the same thing, we'll go to the fourth step. When you go back to the console and run the fourth step. So what is our fourth step saying? It is saying no, fourth step saying that connect to your instance using public DNS. So this is your public DNS, which is domain name service. Okay, it is a name of the server. So either I can call you with a name, or if you're studying in a college, I can call you with your roll number, or if you're working in a company, I can call you with your employee ID. Correct? So yeah, this is a name of a server. But then I can also connect with an IP of a server. What is the IP of a server? If you go here and you see IP is there here, public IP. You can use this public IP as an address or a name as an address. Okay, this is just an roll number kind of employee ID kind of thing, and this is the name of the server. So again, we'll go to connect, and then we have this command already ready-made, which is Amazon is giving you. Just click on this copy button and go and run that command in terminal. Okay, it's pretty simple. Just four things you need to step in to follow. Run this command and enter, and you will be able to connect to the server. And you see now you are able to connect. Once you are connected, you will be able to see that this prompt is changed from 𝐂𝐨𝐻 to 172.31 something something. This says that we are connected to the server. Now you can proceed with your activity. Thank you.
Welcome to LWPLABS. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view free Azure DevOps live classes And for more videos like this, please contact the number shown in the description. Happy learning!